Cybersecurity Business Edition Work Trip. Hello everyone, hi, how are you guys doing? My name is Madhumita and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to take you along on my work trip for cybersecurity. I'll be representing my governance risk compliance work and showcasing our latest project achievements. I'll also be participating in a women tech panel where I'll be sharing my insights and experiences of this industry. It's such an honor to be a part of this discussion and to contribute to the conversation on growth and revenue generation. Throughout this video, I will be giving you a behind the scenes look at my journey. I'll be sharing tips and tricks for success in the field of cybersecurity. So stay tuned for some valuable insights and inspiration. I can't wait to document this incredible experience and bring you along for this particular ride. So make sure you like, comment and subscribe to my channel for such adventure. Let's dive into the world of cybersecurity and my work trip together and make an impact in the tech industry. OMG, can you see, like, I am sitting in a seat which has front seats just in front of me, and luckily I was the only person who was sitting in the seat, so it was really comfortable. Oh my god. Novotel International Hotel is situated in Dubai, Abu Dhabi and Hyderabad, and both the places work was there. So let's begin this amazing room tour. So I've come here to stay for around like 10 to 15 days, and this situation which is going over here is going to be my stay. So let's get started. So once we reach from airport, we come here, we check in our key card here. So I have already inserted the key card, and that's why the lights are on. So yeah, let's go. This is me. This is the room. This is our lovely room. The bed is super cozy, super comfy, and I like it. It's so nice. Oh, we have a TV over here. There are bottles, kettles, other things. Okay, so let's see what storage is inside this. nice. So I can just keep my suitcase and bags over here. We have some cupboards over here. Okay. Oh, there is an extra pillow. Let me take it because I love having more and more pillows. So yeah, that's done. And the basics, the iron rod, the locker, the iron, blah blah blah. Oh, what are these? Oh, I know what are these. These are, I think, the laundry bags. So if I need to get something for the laundry, I can just put in those bags. And yeah. And then another. Okay. So here I can just hang my clothes. Amazing. Okay. You know, guys, we didn't see the most important thing. That is our room view. Let's go. Ta-da! Room view, room view, room view. And OMG. This is the magnificent room view. Love it, love it. So like for like 10-15 days I can just relax, have this view and also do my work. Amazing. And one more important part. Okay, let me cover the corner. So here is one charging port, and I have also, like, there is a drawer over here. So if anyone wants to keep anything, and then obviously telephones, notes, blah blah blah. And again, the view is beautiful. And here's my work table, just to work, obviously. And the main thing, guys, let's check out our bathroom. Come with me. Okay. Hello there. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. We again have a dryer. Okay. So yeah, that is there. And we have a bathtub, guys. Bathtub. See you again. Take care. Before entering the room, this is the lobby area. And every floor has a lobby area. So this is like the 17th floor, and lobby area is also available in the 17th floor. So it's not just for the ground floor. For every floor, this is there. I love the view, really. guys, I just checked into Novotel International Hotel and let me tell you, this is absolutely amazing. It's a 5-star hotel with top-notch amenities that will make your stay here very luxurious. Not only is the hotel stunning, but it also has over 25 seminar halls, perfect for hosting events, panel discussions. And speaking of panel discussions, I'm actually here to educate a team from USA, London, Ireland and Spain about various compliances. It's such an exciting opportunity to share my knowledge with an international audience. The team here is to learn about the latest regulations and best practices in compliances, and I can't wait to dive into this particular meeting and inform them. I'm feeling super confident and professional about this panel discussion, and I know that the team is going to walk away feeling empowered and informed. The energy in the room is going to be electric, and I'm ready to deliver a presentation that will truly resonate with each and every one of them. It's going to be an unforgettable experience filled with luxury, learning, networking, and of course, the touch of Madhumita, my uniqueness. Can't wait to share more with you all soon.
How many do we have, Rahul, over there? This is 10. How many? 13. Everybody, except the three. Apart from 2 people, rest all please come here. You'll have time to Where are these teams? I'll give you one the demo is one it is live. Do live.
Our next generation lunar lander designed with creativity and features and possibilities are endless.
Pass on the task. Please. Come over here.
Where is your social butterfly?
Okay.
Leave it. Okay, you know.
Leave it.
And one.
The work trip comes with the most important thing, that is work. So finally all our discussions, project discussions, growth strategy discussions have begun, and I'm so glad and happy that so many people around the world have come over here and are staying here just to talk about their project challenges and everything. So as you guys know, I am representing the governance risk compliance management team. So I'm over here to represent what are the challenges we are facing in this vertical and how we can improve this particular vertical. And yeah, so I think I started with giving secure coding best practices, how an organization can follow all the compliances and secure RBI regulatory guidelines approval. So that is something which my focus area was on. And one of the very, very exciting thing that happened with me was that I was selected to be a part of Women Tech panel. Yes, friends, and the feeling of representing a techie, cybersecurity expert, and representing how women can actually go forward in this particular stream was very fascinating. So I was given around a half an hour slot, and in the half an hour slot I had to give a small presentation and then explain the intricacies of cybersecurity. And they, as being a woman, they also asked me questions that how I manage time, family and everything, and how women can progress in these kind of careers. So yeah, that was a very good thing because I've never been a part of any panel before. So since I was part of this panel, I got really, really happy. A general query that I get in my videos are to understand who are the guests that have come to visit. So the guests that are there, they are not actually the guests, they are different country and regional heads. So many country and regional heads have come from USA and Canada, and then another regional head has come from Spain, and then another one has come from London. So the regional heads, obviously all the regional heads do not get time to meet everyone throughout the year. So we select certain days where we meet, discuss and strategize things. We all work in async format, but still it's always better to meet people in person, understand them, and that bond that gets created once you know that person face to face. Then once you go back and start working, you feel like, okay, yeah, since I've spoken to that person, I can easily reach out. So that really helps. The best part about this work trip was the food menu. Oh my god, I mean, I can't even start. Like, we were given food all 4 times a day: breakfast, lunch, tea break and dinner. Okay, so usually during breakfast we used to have a very, very good menu, and so we used to have omelets, boiled eggs, breads, sandwiches, fruits, salad, cornflakes, tea, coffee, chocolate powder, fruits. I covered fruits, right? So fruits were there, and I think apart from there used to be upma, then there used to be pancakes, then I think there used to be breads, croissants, obviously. So yeah, and roasted chicken, roasted fish was also there during breakfast. So we covered breakfast. Let's come to the lunch. So we had dal, rice, steamed rice, jeera rice, and then we used to have fish, malai curry, chicken biryani, out of this world. In dessert, strawberry ice cream, moong dal ka halwa and gulab jamun. So you have tea breaks, coffee, tea, cappuccino, latte. The dinner to be a live counter with pasta, pizzas, tasty, and then the similar menu like tandoori chicken, chicken roast, fish chili, chicken chili, and for veg like Manchurian chilies and veg Manchurian, fried rice, roti, naans, and in the dessert section again we used to have chocolate ice cream, jalebis, kheer. Okay, so yeah, so that was the comprehensive food menu: breakfast, lunch, tea break, and dinner. So we used to always enjoy our food, enjoy our meal.
6 people is there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. ईशा देख क्या है? नहीं उनके
पर्पल अब येलो आ रहे हैं.
अब येलो आ रहे
Something from yellow to some other color.
I probably went right.
He is very honest,
I didn't touch the cards. Just check your.
What I'm about to tell you right now is something that I've never done in my life. Games night! Guys, I'm such a person who has been very shy, who has been very busy. I've never ever gotten the time to play games. Okay, I've always been a dancer, so I used to always go to my dance class whenever used to be a weekend. Either I'm in the dance class or I'm preparing for a dance show or I'm studying. So games and Madhumita never went hand in hand. But guys, let me tell you, in this work trip, after our dinners used to get over around 10 p.m. And I think I think one night what happened was I finished my dinner around 10 p.m. and I was heading to the room. Our managers, our other department colleagues, that was from senior reliability engineering department, software development department, marketing, everybody came together to me. I'm like, you know what, Madhumita, we are staying back over here and we are going to play games. So we all sat in the conference hall, everybody was there, and we started playing Uno, guys. Uno, like imagine people from London, US, and people from India. At 12 in the night, everyone was playing Uno. It was so much of fun and it was so huge stress buster. Let me tell you, it is something which I can't express in words. You know, I can't express in words because we've been working so hard day in and day night, and I feel we don't get a time to enjoy a little bit also. If you're at home, okay, and if you work and you go to work, you come back from your office, you sit down, you still would have thousands of household work. Okay, but here, I mean, when we were all playing together, we were almost 25 to 35 people who were playing together and everybody was so happy. So that is the one game that we played. Second game that we played was Bluff. Oh my god, I have never played Bluff in my entire life, and that was the first time we played Bluff and I really enjoyed it. And yeah, so had the time of my life, I can say, because we don't get time. Let me tell you, we don't. Either it's office work that we are busy, either it's fitness, either it's household work. So, you know, just to play games with them was so relieving and so stress busting for me and therapeutic for me, to be honest, because it was pure joy of playing games without being worried, oh, what will happen tomorrow? Will my code work or not? So everybody had a very, very good time. Ram Charan is coming here.
Photo opportunity with Ram Charan sir. Can I request?
Ram Charan is coming to promote his new film. We are taking AR selfie with Ram Charan. Let's see. Touch to start. Then I'll click on take a. Okay, I'll click on this and then take a selfie. And then this is the camera where I have to look at. This is how I've taken the selfie. And yes, guys, we come to the end of our vlog, and I'm feeling so sad that this work trip is ending. This 10 days work trip is coming to an end. It's just a business edition work trip. Okay, so here, as I told you, the main thing was to understand growth and strategy, and it's just it's the feeling that I hate the most, to leave this amazing hotel, to leave this amazing view, to leave the comfort of, you know, sitting together, working with everyone around the globe. And yeah, these days always will be my favorite days. And like these work trips make you feel to work, okay? Yeah, like it makes you feel valuable, that okay, I'm not just working for someone, I'm really working for an organization who is also taking care of me, giving me, respecting me, giving me things that really matter, and respecting my work as well. So yeah, I'm feeling bad that this business edition work trip is coming to an end, and I think I covered what kind of team members I have, and how to interact with those team members, and what kind of work I did. How was my women in tech panel discussion went. So I covered that, and then I think I also covered the food part of the trip, then the games part, and yeah, so in and all, the entire work trip is coming to an end. So guys, thank you so much for tuning into my YouTube channel, watching all my YouTube videos. It definitely means a lot to me. And guys, before I end this video, let me tell you, thank you so much for all your love and support. Without your love and support, nothing is possible. And guys, I know this sounds crazy, but please, it will really help me if you just give a thumbs up on this video, comment down, and share this video. It is not going to cost you even a single penny. So if you have liked this video even a little bit, so please do comment on my channel, do like my channel, and the most important part, subscribe the channel. I know everyone does not get that much of time, but it's a humble request. It would really mean a lot to me. It would really do mean a lot to me if you subscribe. That is something which I always look forward to. But apart from that, let me tell you, thank you for giving me so much of love and appreciation, because this is the only motivation for me. Trust me guys, taking videos along with your work, that too also hectic work. We start in our trip, in this business edition work trip, we had to start our days like around 6 a.m, 7 a.m, because we had people from US and Canada. So to match time zones and to ensure that their other meetings are not hampered, so we used to start very early, and then obviously there is never an end. It used to go around night 11 p.m, 12 a.m. So yeah, so my point being, even after working for from the morning 6 a.m till the night 12 a.m. I used to work, I used to do all my other activities and still record for y'all because I wanted to give you raw, unedited life tour, my work tour to you so that you understand the reality of it, that it is so tough. But I always try to get motivated and be confident and present my true self to you guys. And also I try and give introduction of what I do and how I do. I hope you love my channel. I hope you like all the videos that are coming in. Keep giving me all your likes and comments and subscriptions. That really, really motivates me. And as you know, it's not the end of the video. I have some more photographs of the events that I have attended.